welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me again today. My name is Jenny Fajes. For those of you who don't know, well, now you know. But anyways, for today's video, I want to tell you guys that I'm going to be using the Makartt and Femi Beauty collection. Again, I couldn't help myself. I just want to keep using this collection. You guys already know though that normally whenever I do review a new polygel kit, I do at least 2 different polygel sets for you guys, if not more. So today I knew I had to do another nail set with it, just so you guys can see that there's so many different things you can do with just one polygel kit. So I'm so excited. Today's nail set, you guys are going to want to stay until the end because it's such a pretty, like, pastel colorful nail set that I cannot even describe to you guys how pretty it ends up turning out. So you guys stay tuned until the end of the video. I promise you, you're gonna want to learn how to do these at home. But anyways, let's get into today's video. As you guys saw, I did go ahead and apply my nail tips. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check out the Makartt website or check the links down below. I did use these tips that are from the Makartt website, so you guys can go ahead and just check that down below. But I did apply my tips, and before I did apply my tips, I did go ahead and apply 2 coats of peel off base coat so I can pop these off after I am done taking pictures and videos for you guys. So once I was done with that, I did go ahead and file the tips. As you guys saw a little while ago, I was just filing, roughening them up, just because personally I feel like the polygel grips a lot nicer and like hangs on a lot better when it is rough than when it is smooth. So then after that, I did go ahead and apply a thin layer of base coat, and then I did cure that under the lamp for about 60 seconds. So before I go ahead and explain my nails today, I did want to ask you guys, what did you think about the last nail set? I was obsessed with it. Honestly, I just can't tell you guys how obsessed I am with this collection. I feel like the colors are so beautiful. But anyways, let me just jump in and explain to you guys what I am doing here. So as you guys saw, I applied a bead of polygel, of this beautiful blue polygel, towards the tip of my nail, and I did fix it at the tip. I am going to be doing ombre nails. I did start by just applying this at the tip, just making sure it's not too thick, not too thin, and then kind of blending it down towards the cuticle. Once I was done with that bead, I did fully cure it. I want that to be really hard and cured. That way when I do apply this pink bead right here and I blend it up, it doesn't mix together. It just blends into that color. So as you guys see right here, I applied this beautiful pink color. I thought it was going to be too dark, but I think it's perfect. You can build it up as well. I feel like if I did apply another bead on top of this, of the pink, it would make it darker and even more vibrant. But I wanted to go kind of for like the pastel, colorful pastel nails today. So I did go ahead and just fix around the cuticle, making sure I don't touch any skin. And then I did start blending this color up into the blue. You guys already know whenever I do ombre nails, the more and more I blend it up into that first color, the thinner and thinner I make the second color polygel, just to make sure that it looks like it disappears from one color into the other. So now I did fully cure that nail, making sure that it, it was hard, that way it didn't move when I was working on the next nail. So as you guys see right here, I'm going in with that beautiful yellow color from my last nail set. I'm obsessed with that nail set, honestly, you guys, and I feel like I can't choose which nail set I'm more obsessed with, either this one or the last one. I feel like these colors, oh my god, you guys, I'm just so happy with the nail sets that I created. I hope you guys truly enjoy my videos, because honestly, I just think of this in my head and I try to explain it like to my sisters or to my mom what I'm thinking of creating, but like they don't see what I see in my mind. And then when they see my nail set, they're like, oh, okay, like that's so beautiful. I did not think that's what you were talking about, So I hope you guys really enjoy these nail sets, and I hope you guys can try to recreate them at home. If you guys do, please let me know on Instagram, tag me. I'd love to see all of you guys' work. But anyways, right here, as you guys see, I am doing the exact same thing that I just showed you guys on my pinky finger, except with the yellow and the pink. So I am going to make sure that these kind of blend into each other. And like I said, I fully cure that first bead, and then I go in with the second one. The more and more that I move this bead up, the thinner and thinner I make it. Okay, so now moving on to my other two nails. So my thumb, I did do it kind of the same as the other nails. You guys will see that later on. But these two nails right here, I am going to be applying this beautiful unicorn glitter. You guys already know I'm obsessed with like glitter and just being extra with nails. So I had to use this on these two nails. I did go in with a little bit of base coat, and then you guys already know I like to apply my glitters or anything that I am going to be encapsulating on top of that base coat, wet base coat. That way when it gets hard, it gets hard with all of these products inside of it, and that when you do have to encapsulate, you don't have to, like, they don't fall off or they don't move around. I feel like this is the easiest method for me personally. So if you guys are looking for videos for polygel tutorials for beginners, I am your girl. I promise you, stay tuned and check out all of my other videos. Or if you guys are looking for nail tutorials for beginners, you guys, I am your girl. But I just love everything that came in this Makartt and Femi beauty collection, you guys. I cannot stop telling you guys how much I'm obsessed with it. If you guys want to purchase your own, go ahead and check out my links down below. I will also leave my discount code there for you guys so you guys can purchase and save a little bit of money. I honestly am thinking about getting this kit and giving it to you guys for my next giveaway. So as soon as we hit 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. So you guys, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys enjoy my videos, please give them a big thumbs up. I truly enjoy doing these videos for you guys, and I just love sharing with you guys like all of the ideas that I get in my head, all of my designs. Also, if you guys don't follow me on social media, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I will leave everything down below for you guys so you can check that out and just give me a follow. You know, we can interact more on Instagram. I promise you guys, I do polls all the time. I do like different little things there so you guys can, you know, interact with me a little bit more. You guys can DM me if you guys want to. I am open to talking to all of you guys. But now moving on to the next part of this nail design. So you guys remember that these butterflies came in this kit, which they're not the same butterflies that come in every single like little butterfly kit that I've seen. Normally their holographic ones are the ones that they do, like I've seen sold everywhere. These little butterflies are different. They feel more like little papers, not so much like those holographic ones that you see everywhere. And the like shape of the butterflies are different. The colors are super different as well. It has holographic, but it also has like solid colors. So I just went in with a bunch of different colors of these and just started applying them all over my nails, just because I wanted to keep that colorful pastel nail set vibe going. So that's what I'm doing here. And honestly, you guys, I want to remind you that if you want to create any of my nail sets or recreate any of my nail sets at home, all of my nail tutorials are nail tutorials for beginners. They're polygel tutorials for beginners. So you guys can follow along, and I promise you, as long as you are patient and you have time, you will be able to create these nail sets. And the more and more you practice, the better and better you will get at them. But another thing I wanted to mention, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I am not using slip solution or alcohol to move around the polygel today. I am using the top coat that came in this Makartt and Femi Beauty Collection kit. So I am just using this, so this way you guys don't have to feel like you have to go out and buy the alcohol. I told you guys that the Beatles kit comes with a slip solution that is so beautiful. A lot of you guys recommended to me to be using like either base coat or top coat. So I decided to use the top coat today to see if it's similar to that Beatles, you know, slip solution, and I felt like it was. It's a lot easier to move around just because it doesn't get as sticky. So I do recommend you guys trying this at home, because honestly I just feel like when you do use this kind of slip solution or this product as a slip solution, it makes the polygel just kind of like form itself. So later on when you do have to file, there's not as much filing, surprisingly. I feel like with the alcohol it kind of gets a little more sticky and you have to kind of try to maneuver and move the polygel around more, that you like, I don't know, it's not harder. Like once you get the hang of it, it's easy. But I just feel like using this as a slip solution, it's a lot easier and beginner friendly. So if you guys are having trouble or you guys just want to make it just a tad bit easier on you guys, I suggest using top coat as slip solution. But anyways, as you guys just saw, I did finish up my nails. I did cure them under the lamp, and then after that I did not have to wipe off any of the tacky layer because the top coat, when it gets cured, it does not stay sticky. So I didn't have to go in with some alcohol and wipe that off. It's good. You can start filing this. The sticky layer is not there, so you can't clog up your nail file. So anyways, as you guys see right here, I did go in with that Makartt and Femi Beauty little hand file, and I started filing and shaping my nails with this. I'm so sorry I was out of frame. I forgot to like zoom out. I just wanted to keep this in here just because I know I talk a lot and I just wanted to talk with you guys. But when I was done shaping all of my nails, making sure that they were really pretty, super straight from the sides and the tips, I did go in with my nail drill and I did go ahead and file the surface of all of my nails. I made sure that they were all smooth and even. Done filing all of my nails, I did go ahead and take off all of that dust, and I did wash my hands. Once they were dry, as you guys see right here, I'm gonna be going in with the rest of my design, as if that wasn't enough, right? Everything else that I had on there, but you guys already know I'm like super extra. I have to add, just add and add and add onto my nails. So as you guys see right here, I am going to be going in with these beautiful gold butterflies from the Makartt and Femi Beauty collection. I had to use these. I feel like I have to use everything in this collection, but for today's nail set, for like this colorful pastel nail set, I knew that these were going to be perfect with a little bit of gold on them. So as you guys see right here, I did apply a little bit of young nail glue, and then I did start just applying about 2 of them onto each one of my nails. So as you guys see right here, I was having a little bit of trouble. That one didn't want to stick. I personally didn't apply it with anything else because I have seen people apply it with a little bit of clear polygel. Personally, I didn't do that just because these nails, I was going to take them off right after, so I didn't really care about making them last like 2 weeks. But if I was doing it on someone else, I would honestly do that. Just apply a little bit of that little polygel and then just put it on there and cure it, so that way it was hard and it did not fall off at all. But now for my other 2 nails, I know those were already extra, but I just had to make them a little more extra. So I am going to be just applying some little rhinestones, as you guys see right here. And then I did also apply little caviar beads. I loved how the gold caviar beads looked in my gold goddess nail set, that I had to include them in this nail set as well, just to go with those gold butterflies that I have on there. So right here, that's what I'm going to be doing. And then I did repeat the exact same thing onto my pointer finger. But before I let you guys enjoy that, I did want to ask you guys how your day is going, how your week is going, how everything is going. How's everyone doing? What are you guys doing right now that you guys are watching my videos? Do you just talk to me? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys are up to. I love to have conversations with you guys, and honestly, I try to reply to you guys at least by Saturday. If I don't reply to you guys anytime sooner, it's just because you guys already know I feel like I'm so busy all the time. I have work, I have my videos I have to record, I have my voiceovers I have to do, and then I have to take care of my little girl. But anyways, I like to make some time and just talk to you guys. Just comment down below anything you guys want to talk about. Comment what your favorite product was from this Makartt and Femi Beauty collection, or let me know what you guys are doing, how your day is going, what you're eating, what you're doing when you guys are watching my videos, where you guys are. I love to know that you guys can be all around the world watching my videos. But anyways, now enough of me just talking and talking. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this process. once I was done applying all of the little rhinestones, the butterflies, and all of that, I did go in with a thin layer of top coat. It did come with this Makartt and Femi Beauty collection. So I did just apply a thin layer, and then I did cure it under the lamp for about 60 seconds. I do want to remind you guys, if you enjoy my videos, please give it a big thumbs up. That helps me out so much. It helps YouTube push out my videos a lot more, so a lot more people can see them. So you guys, let's grow. Just subscribe to my channel. As soon as we hit 3,000 subscribers, I am going to be doing another giveaway, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, on all of my social media. I love interacting with you guys. But once I was done applying my top coat, I did cure it, and I did apply some under my nails as well, on the clear nails. And then, as you guys see right here, for my final step, as you guys already know, I'm just applying a little bit of cuticle oil. And this is what today's colorful pastel nail set looks like. I'm obsessed with it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this nail set in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.